And who can you be relaxed with? Often we're choosing partners because they're hot and they're sexy and I've done that too, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to have this kind of tantric lovemaking, you want to be with someone who you trust completely. This is your best friend. So your best friend and your best sexual friend, because that level of trust to be able to let go for those just rippling cosmic transcendent orgasms, that trust is, it's the base chakra, it's the root chakra. If you don't have that trust, you can't go there. We had trust even when we were virtually strangers, just because I guess we
For
could
some
feel that
reason.
energy. We can feel that energy, and we just continue to build that trust. And this is another thing that the mainstream teaches people in dating, is that you should be, the friend zone is death to attraction. And now, the Gottmans, I don't know if you people know, the Gottmans are a psychologist couple out of Seattle who've been doing a lot of actual research on what makes relationships work. And it is 70% of people in healthy relationships say it's the friendship. So I just wonder why we're telling single people the friend zone is a bad place. In Tantra, the friend zone is where you want to be. When I was in the ashram in India, it was a very sexy place, but everybody was more interested in being friends first. Because how could you relax in a sexual relationship if this isn't your best friend or a friend? At least if you're having a casual encounter, that's great. But if you're having it in the spirit of friendship, of appreciation, of respect, then those are the only ways you can relax. I can remember sexual experience being so uptight, and do they really like me? And this just doesn't make for any sort of wonderful, sacred sexual encounter.
Seems like